Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily fix headphones not detected on Samsung S25 Edge. So first, make sure that if you use the USB-C connection for wired headphones, make sure that the adapter is plugged in properly. And if you're using the USB-C to 3.5mm adapter for wired headphones, make sure it's securely connected and not poorly. So now, make sure that you have a good quality USB-C adapter, because if you're using a cheap one, it may not provide a stable connection, and that's why your headphones are not detected. So test your USB-C headphones or the adapter on another device to make sure that the issue isn't with the adapter itself. Now after that, we're moving on to the Bluetooth headphones. So make sure that your Bluetooth headphones are turned on and in pairing mode. Now go over the settings, here go to connections, Bluetooth, and make sure that Bluetooth is enabled. Now if your Bluetooth headphones aren't showing up on the list, then try turning the Bluetooth off and on again. So if it didn't work now, and it won't work this time, then try it again. And now, if it's not helping, then try forgetting the device if it's paired already. Now, moving on to the USB-C port, make sure that it's clean, so there's no dust, lint, debris that might be blocking the port, preventing it from detecting the headphones. So try using a soft cloth, compressed air, or a toothpick. I personally use the compressed air to clean out the USB-C port. So be careful, and be careful not to damage the pins inside, because it may cost you a lot of money. So now restart the phone if it didn't help you, because rebooting your phone can help reset connections, especially if the phone's software isn't properly detecting the headphones. So hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time until you see this menu pop up. Now click restart and click on the icon again to restart your phone. So I'll see you guys once the phone is restarted. Now, if the reboot did not help you, then go over to the settings and try to update your software if it isn't already updated, because sometimes an updated software can cause problems with hardware detection, and it's including USB-C and Bluetooth connections. So go to settings, scroll a bit down until you guys see software and update, it's almost at the bottom, and click download and install. Here it will automatically check for software updates and to make sure that you're running the latest version as me. So make sure that here it says your software is up to date and there's nothing to install. Now if it didn't help you, then go over to the about phone. Here scroll down until you guys see reset, and here basically reset the network settings and the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. So this will reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile data settings, so you'll need to reconnect the Wi-Fi networks and the Bluetooth devices again. Now you guys can try with different headphones or devices, so test a different pair of headphones, either Bluetooth or USB-C, to check out any issues with the headphones you're using. And if you have another device that uses USB-C headphones, then test them there to see if the issue is with the headphones or with your phone. So as a last resort, we have the factory reset. So now go back to the settings, click to factory data reset now, and now scroll down until you guys see the big reset button at the bottom. Enter your passcode if you have one, and then click delete all, but before that, make sure that you backed up your data first. And even if the factory reset did not help you, then it could be a hardware issue with the USB-C port or the Bluetooth functionality. So contact Samsung support or visit the authorized service center for further professional diagnostics made by a professional technician. So that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.